guys, I just wanted to tell you that please subscribe, because I'm going to be making a lot more videos on my new flip camera, and that me and the Tech Deck Monster crew may be making a group and you can post a video response to see if you can try out for it. Please try out, but if you don't make it, please don't be upset. There'll be other tryouts if we don't get many people. Please try out. That's all I can say. And please subscribe. People who try out must subscribe. Well, they don't have to, but I would recommend if they did, because then they might almost definitely be on the team. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and please post a video response.